Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the link copied, so start Chrome now and focus the address bar. Click the bar or press Ctrl+L to highlight any existing text. This replaces it cleanly. Once the address bar is focused, make sure no extensions or dialogues block input because they can trap keyboard commands. You want a clear caret ready to receive input. Now you're set to paste directly. The next step shows the exact paste actions and alternatives if keyboard paste isn't available. You're pasting now. Press Ctrl+V or CMD+V on Mac and watch the URL appear in the Omnibox. If suggestions pop up immediately, that's fine, they don't alter the pasted text. Once pasted, inspect the link for extra spaces or characters, remove them with backspace if needed. If you prefer the menu, right-click the bar and pick Paste. Make sure you press Enter after pasting to load the page. This triggers navigation and confirms. Once you press Enter, let the page load and check the address bar to verify the exact URL. If it lands on the expected site, use the star to bookmark or the Share menu to copy the link again for others. If the page doesn't load or the paste didn't work, try clearing the clipboard and pasting again, restart Chrome, or paste into a text editor first to inspect the URL. These steps fix common issues and ensure reliable pasting every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.